The Notes app on iOS 18 has had some really clever updates all around using maths and equations. While some of these features work better on the iPad where you've got the Apple Pencil to write with, they still work on the iPhone as well, both in typed form and handwritten form. Let's have a look at both, starting with typed. So here on the screen, I've put together a very quick note to work out the tip on my bill. I'm going to times it by 1.2 for a 20% tip. And as I'm typing, as soon as I put the equal sign in, you'll notice that the answer is automatically given for me in that orange writing by Notes. But what's really clever here is if I start changing some of the numbers in my equation, the answer updates in real time. I can go from a 20% tip to a 10% tip, 30%, whatever I want to do, and the answer updates immediately for me. And whilst this is definitely very clever, I think it's most impressive when you start using handwriting. I'm going to tap onto the pencil tool and then use my finger to do a very quick fraction, 33 over 11. And if I again draw the equal sign, it will give me the option of whether or not to solve this equation for me. I'll tap on to solve, and just like that you're going to see an answer written in a handwriting similar to my own. And this works with all sorts of different equations. For example, the square root of 25. I'll write in the equal sign and straight away it asks me to solve it. It will even work for my tip calculator from earlier. I can write that same equation again, or a similar one, and as soon as I press equals it will change it. But just like earlier, you can change the numbers in your equation, and it will update the answer for you. You might be thinking, well, how can I do that if I've handwritten it? Let me show you. All I'm going to do is to tap onto one of the numbers to select it, and then you'll notice this little popover appears with like kind of a scrolling wheel. As I slide that left or right, the number itself changes, and as it does so, the answer changes as well. And just like before, it's going to try and match my handwriting the best it can to make it look like I've written this number myself. And this works for all the equations that I've written here. I can simply tap onto a number and adjust it however I want, and the answer will change in real time for me. And these are just some of the new maths features in Notes on iOS 18. And if you're someone who's curious to find out what else their iPhone is capable of, I really would suggest you check out the book at the link down below. It's called 100 QuickTips for iOS 18, and I guarantee you'll learn loads of things you never knew your iPhone could do.